the streets, guys.
This average Floridian citizen driving around as like pieces of metal are flying through the street at 150 miles an hour. That Jeep is not going to save you, bro. It's going to cut your fucking head off. Final Destination style. Look at this one-way sign. She's about to come off.
Yeah, another thing about the eye is it's kind of cloud-filled, so you're not going to...
The funniest part about this is Florida drivers are notoriously dog shit, but the irony is he stopped at the stop sign this time, okay? I've never seen a Florida driver stop at a fucking stop sign until it's hurricane season. Why are you honoring the street laws? Why are you honoring the traffic laws, man? What the fuck is...